Hello everyone, this is just Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Milwaukee 7-piece concrete screw install kit. So I like that it comes in this little case. These are the two most popular sizes for installing Tapcon screws. So you may have a Phillips head Tapcon screw, or you may have this hex head. These work with both of them. You've got the drill bits here. Well, actually I thought it was going to come with Phillips, but it comes with, looks like these stars. The T30 and the T25. So it does not come with a Phillips, because the Tapcons that I'm using take a number 3 Phillips and look like a number 2 Phillips. But at least they do come with the impact nut drivers. This is the 1/4 inch. Now this is a double duty. The 1/4 inch is down there. See, I first thought it didn't fit, but it's farther down in there. So you may have to turn it just a little bit there. Now it fits. It's kind of countersunk in there a little bit. Now let's go to the bigger one here. The 5/16 the same way. It's a nut driver and it's magnetic, but it's kind of countersunk. It's down in there a little bit. And then these are the two most popular sizes for drill bits. Looks like we got a 5/32. That's going to be for the smaller Tapcons. That's going to be for the 3/16 Tapcons, which are the smaller Tapcons. That's what these take. And then the bigger one, this is 3/16. This is going to be for the 1/4 inch Tapcons. So the bigger ones, these two here, these are 1/4 inch threads. They call them for Tapcons, and that's what you're going to drill. You're going to use the 3/16 drill bit. Now let's take a look at how this tool is going to operate. You've got a bigger opening and a smaller opening. So the bigger opening, you're going to put the drill bit in. You can put either drill bit in, like you're going to be, this is like you're going to take the smaller drill bit, then with the smaller nut driver. So put it on the sleeve, and when you want to push it in until it stops, then you can put the nut driver, the 1/4 inch, at the end. Now this tool is all set up, ready to go. I can put it in my high-speed drill, make sure I'm on hammer drill, or if I've got an impact gun, I can put it in my impact gun. Now here's how you're going to use this, okay? So you're going to take this part off, okay? You're going to drill your hole. When you're done drilling your hole, you don't have to take this out. You simply just slide this on. Now I can put my Tapcon right here, and now I just do that. Drill it in. When I'm done, I don't remove that. I remove this whole fixture. Drill my hole, put my Tapcon in. Drill my hole, put my Tapcon in. That's how it works, and vice versa for the bigger size. If I want to use the bigger size, it fits in here also exactly the same. And then I would change out the hex head up here. So it does come in this nice little pack out kit. Closes. I like when these are clear. That way I can see what I've got inside there. Okay, so let's do some measuring. So this can drill about a 3 3/4 inch hole deep. The smaller one, the 5/32, can drill about a same one. Now the overall length of this, around 5 3/4. And again, the nut drivers add about another 2 inches to it. And the pack out box is 7.5, well, by almost 4 depth, about 1.5 inches. This is a really nice kit that's going to fit most standard Tapcons. I do wish it came with the hex, but maybe these concrete screws are starting to come with the torque heads that I just didn't know. It does say that it's for use with the concrete screws with torque heads. But anyway, this is the model number 48-20-9097. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.